we will talk about intent. So what is intent? Intent is like a message that's used between Android components. So we know we have 4 components in Android: activity, service, broadcast receiver, and content provider. If we need to communicate from any component to any other component, we use intent. It's like a message. So what's the type of intent? We have 2 types of intent: explicit intent and implicit intent. Explicit intents are used to call a specific components. So when you know which exactly the components you want to launch, then we use explicit intent. So let's take an example. If we have 2 activities, activity A and activity B, and from activity A, if we want to launch activity B, then we use explicit intent. So let's take an example in Android Studio. So we open Android Studio. Okay, then so in main activity, we go to the layout, we change the text to activity 1, nice, and the text size we make it 50 TB. Okay, we make a button and wrap contents and layout height wrap contents, and when we make Android text equal activity 2, yes. Okay, we adjust the constraints, of course, nice, then make ID. Okay, it's nice. In activity, button casting, find view by itr.it button. And click button, set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. Okay, new view dot yes, and then we make second activity. Let's make a second activity, new activity, empty activity, yes. Okay, that's nice name. And then we go to the layout, resource, layout, activity menu 2, put text view, wrap content, Android text activity 2. Let's increase the size, yes, size, make it 50 TB. Okay, let's change the color, like text color, let's make it color primary, yes, color primary, and then put it in the middle screen, adjust the constraints, and then let's make our intent. So intent let's import it. Okay, let's import it, Alt enter, and this context to main to activity. So activity and start activity. So it is, we know which components to launch, so it's explicit intent. Yes, let's take one activity, 2 activity, click buttons, just So second type is implicit intents. In implicit intents, we don't specify the exact component, we only define the actions and let operating system decide which components to handle these actions. So explicit, we define exactly component, while in implicit only define the action. Operating system decide which components will handle that action. So let's take an example in the Android Studio. So we go to activity layout, make a button, and put a content. We just text like Google, and we make so ID, we call add plus ID, and yes, button ID. It's zoom, just the constraints. Okay, and then we go to main activity, button equal, let's alt enter, button casting, and find view by ID, r.id button ID, set on click listener, new view on click listener, and then we make an intent. First we make a web URI. Let's make URI web page, alt enter, that's URI to parse http, that's www.google.com. Then we make our intents I equal new intents. We don't specify the components, only we just make the action. We specify the action here, intent dot action view. So we don't specify we don't specify components. Action view web page. Okay, then we make I dot resolve activity get package managers not equal null. Then we start activity. Yes, let's make permission of using the internet, don't miss it. Okay, then okay, that's good. Let's run. Yes. Wait. Oh, yeah. Google, open. Let's just open Google. Yes, it's done. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.